Hello everyone and welcome to another JavaScript lecture. Let's learn how to create and how to set styles or CSS code with JavaScript. So let's create some CSS with some properties. So let's create ID div 1, and this will have, let's give it a background color of black, and the body, let's create the div ID div 1, and let's close it here, and let's give it also a height of 30 pixels and a width of 30 pixels. Okay, there it is. Let's put a little bit more, 130 and 130. Okay, so we can see it a lot better. Okay, there it is. So now we have this square with a background color black, and what I want to do is create a simple button that will trigger a function that will change the background color. Okay, let's say for blue instead of black. So we're gonna use the onClick event handler again, as we did in the last video. So we need to create, first of all, let's create a button here. Let's type line break, and then input type equals button, and let's say on click equals, and I don't have the function yet, so let's leave that empty, and let's give it a value. Let's type here click me. Okay, save this. Let's see what happens if we open this. Okay, so if we click here, nothing happens, but let's create the function that will change the background color whenever you click the button. So the first thing is to grab the value div 1. So let's call this variable first, or let's call this blue div. And now we're gonna type document.get element by ID. And instead get element by ID, we're gonna type div 1. Okay. Now down here, we're gonna create the function. And now the property background color with capital C equals to, and let's type here blue. Okay, or whatever the code for the color you want. Okay, so in here we're gonna type blue and semicolon. So now if we run this and click the click me button, bam, blue. Everything is blue in the square. Okay, so how did this work? Basically, we use the style, okay, for styling whatever the document.getElement by ID div 1, which is this div here. Whatever we want to style it, we can do it by using the style property dot, and then the property of the CSS equals to blue. If we type here red, and you go here and click, there it is, bam. Okay, so you have a lot of possibilities here to create something really cool on your web page with buttons, functions, and with the onClick event handler. Okay, we'll learn more and more how to use the onClick in the next video, but this is just a little sample on how powerful this is. Okay guys, so yeah, that's basically it, and please practice and try other colors, and you can try other properties instead of the background color as well. So see you guys in the next lecture.